Hello sound editors! In this short video, we're going to talk about a very useful effect in Audacity, and that's the fade in, fade out effect. We use this all the time. Oftentimes we don't want our music or our sound to start or end abruptly, and a gentle fade in and a gentle fade out is sometimes perfect. So let's have a look at how to do that. I have a piece of music open here in Audacity, and it starts abruptly, as you can hear. Now, if I was using that in a play as a background, or this used for any reason really, we wouldn't want it to start abruptly. So what we want to do is do a fade in. First of all, I'm going to use my selection tool, as you can see right here. Select my selection tool, and I'm going to select by clicking and dragging my mouse over a portion of the beginning of the sound. And then I just go up to Effect, and I go down to Fade In. Now you can see here, it changed the sound. And let me zoom in with my zoom tool right here, my zoom in tool. Let's have a look to see what actually happened. You can visually see now the sound gets gradually louder. So let's have a listen to that. You can hear it gradually faded in. Try it again. Sounds way more professional. Okay, so now let's go to the end. And by the way, I'm using my zoom tools up here. If you're not sure about how to use these, you can check out the tutorial on how to do that. Now let's go to the end for our fade out. I'm going to use my selection tool, and I'm going to select a portion of the sound at the end that I want to do my fade out with. So I selected my sound, I go up to Effect, and I go down to Fade Out. And you can see again, I'll zoom in, you can see again, it faded it out. So let's go back a little ways and hear how that sounds. It gently faded out. It was great. It works great. Now you may say to yourself, yeah, I want it to fade out longer. I want a more gentle fade. We can do that. I'm going to go back to Edit, Undo Fade Out. And if you're not sure how to use undo or the history function, you can check out the tutorial on how to do that. Now I just did undo, and now we're back to where we were. If we want a longer fade out, we just select more sound. I'm going to select that much, and I'll go again to Effect, Fade Out, and now you can see it's a much more gentle fade. If we have a listen to that, you can hear it's much more gentle fade. So that's it, fading in and fading out. And remember, when you fade your music in or your sound in and fade your sound out at the end, even if it's a very gentle, quick fade, it sounds much more professional than just abruptly cutting it.